Okay, to show the builder what I had in mind for the shape of the roof, I built this model, and he agreed, and he used this to show, to guide him in the way that he was going to build it. And that's what they did. They built the model out in the parking lot. They rebuilt the model, and they using the model as a guide. And this is how they started the framing. In the meantime, they had to take down the bell support from the roof, and that is standing on the parking lot, uh, and that's what they use as a table to start their construction. And they also had to replace rotten wood that was up on around the steeple that was supporting the bell tower, and now they have the support ready for the roof. As you can see, there was quite a bit of rot, and they had to replace it. So they're starting to work on the framing, and the J&J Construction had very capable workers there. I'm so glad that Dale recommended them to do the work, because they really knew what they were doing. And this is a picture that was taken by Doris Pike with the camera that belonged to Pastor Mike Kelly, and it was during the Election Day dinner in 2014. And this is my favorite picture of how J&J Construction picked up the roof with their man lift and set it in place. As you can see, it worked very well, and they're up there working, fastening it down, and put the plywood on and started working on the finish, and they did a really nice job. As you can see there, that's the new roof with the original weather vane on top. And it looks so nice all around. They replaced the wooden louvers with vinyl louvers. As you can see that in this picture here. Another good idea that they came up with. And there's another picture of the finished product. And that's the original weather vane that had been repaired, and it's an excellent way to finish the roof.